Oh yeah, what's up guys? This is the boy Dennis here. Uh, I'm so excited today to show you I'm so excited today to share with you the more powerful tools. Actually today I'm going to talk about what is affiliate marketing, how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner. So yeah, stick with me in this video because I'm gonna show you step by step on how to start exact affiliate marketing for free without spending any cent or any money. Yeah, so let's get started. Please, if you're new to my channel, in this channel we talk about making money online. So yeah, you can yeah, that is it. So if you like my videos, you can like, share, and comment as well. Okay, so what is affiliate marketing actually? Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's product and earn commission. As you can see, how do you do that? You just join the programs. There's a program that I'm going to show you that is easy to join. Then once you join, you just find the product. Once you find the product, then once you join, you find the product. Once you find the product, you promote. Once you promote, people they buy, then you earn commission. That is affiliate marketing. So yeah, in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how you can start improving daily, making $100 or even more, uh, using the strategy that I'm going to show you in this video. So stick with me, let's get started. Okay, in this video, we are going to use a website called ClickBank. So what ClickBank is a software, it's a website which it allows you to join and find a product to promote. So what do you do actually? You just type in clickbank.com. Then once you type that, you just create an account here. If you are a beginner, you just sign up. You put your country, first name, last name, phone number, email address. Then yeah, you are good to go. You just follow the process, just easy like that. For me, since I have an account, I'm just gonna log in. So in this particular topic, I'm going to show you the niches that you have to choose. Actually, if you're in affiliate marketing, you have to choose a niche. This is affiliate marketing. So once you join the product, like you join this ClickBank here, you have to choose a niche. I don't know what niche are you going to promote. There's health, fitness, weight loss. There's a lot of niches here. There's a woodworking. There's e-business. There's the wealth. There's a lot of niches. So it depends. I don't know what kind of niches that you can choose, but in this particular topic, what I'm gonna suggest is you must choose what do you call health and fitness or weight loss. So in this product, those are the product which are converting like crazy. So yeah, let's get started, guys. So what we're gonna do, once you sign everything, you'll end up coming here. So once you come here, you just click at the what says affiliate marketplace. You just click here. Once you are here, this is a place where you're going to find the product. Now you have to choose which product you want. As I highly recommend that when you're starting, you must start with health and fitness, or health and fitness, wealth, and I think those are the niches that I can highly recommend when you are starting. Then once you are used, or once you start seeing some results, then you can start promoting other products like softwares, services, yeah, things like that. But in this particular topic, we're gonna start. We're gonna go with the health and fitness. This is it. Health and fitness. Once you are here, you have to choose the product which is got a high gravity. As you can see, once you are here in ClickBank, you have to choose to see gravity. What does gravity means? Gravity means how many people are promoting this website, this particular product. As you can see here, people are making gravity is 593. It means people are making money using this. Means you can start promoting and making money as well. As you can see, per se, you just make 134. This particular product, once you sell, you're gonna make 134. This is nice, 100%, guys. I highly recommend you must start this. And again, there's a you have to choose the product that you're gonna see that this one it can solve people's problem. You have to go through. Okay, actually, in this particular video, there's diabetes freedom, there's research. Okay, in this particular program topic, we're gonna go with, okay, let's go with diabetes. How many gravity? 287. Actually, 50 gravity is good. 50 to 40, yeah, it's good. The more high gravity, the more the more good product is, and the more affiliate people are promoting, and the more they are making money as well. Okay, so in this particular website, in this particular topic, we're gonna go with the diabetes freedom. What you have to do, you have to see, you have to check the information of this product so that you can understand how it works and how to solve the problem for the people. You just go here where it says affiliate page. Once you come to affiliate page, you just click here and see what is going on inside here. Okay, here you're gonna see their affiliate page. As you can see, there's a email swap for free. There's keywords that you can use. There's Insta pixels, hard headline. So all these you can use them for free. There's keywords. You can download the keywords here. So yeah, once you are in, once you want to promote your product, actually you have to check everything. They are providing the materials that you can use to promote your product. So you have to make sure you go to affiliate page and check those things. Okay, so what are you gonna do once you see the product and how it works? You just go to what says promote here. Just click promote. In this particular topic, once you say you're gonna make 51 average per sale. Once you promote this, when someone buy, you're gonna make 51 products. So you just click promote. Once you click promote, you're gonna ask your nickname. Then you click generate hop link. Okay, now you have an affiliate affiliate link. So where are you going to promote this link that you have? You have product, you have link, and you know how product works. Then the question is, how are you going to promote this particular product? Don't worry, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can promote this product easily for free without spending any cent. Okay. Once you grab this link, what are you gonna do? You go to Instagram. I know most of you guys will be asking, Instagram, how can I promote a link on Instagram? Don't worry, I'm going to show you step by step. Once you're Instagram, guys, as you can see, there's one of my account here. This particular account, I'm talking about the affiliate health and fitness. As you can see, how to lose weight. I'm teaching people on how to lose weight. As you can see, guys, this. So yeah, I'm doing well, and I'm making sales using this, guys. I'm making sales, guys. As you can see people are liking it. Yeah, so that is it. As you can see, this is my This is my Instagram. Okay, so once you are here, what do you have? What you are going to do inside here? You just find you just go to the search here. So you have to see, you have to check your look where you're promoting a health and fitness niche. So what you're gonna do, you just click how to lose weight. That product talks about how to lose weight. So you just click weight loss here. Weight loss. Weight loss. You see, there's a lot of things. So you have to go to each of these and see what is happening inside. How are they making money, these people? So you can start going one. Okay, let's say this. As you can see, this one has got 564K followers. So you can go to this. As you can see, people are liking, they're posting weight loss here. So what you have to do, you go to followers here. As you can see, most of people who are here, who are following this particular who are following this guy weight loss transformation are interested in losing weight. So what you have to do, you go to the followers here. Followers, you start following them, all these people. You start following them. You follow all of them. Once you've done that, why are you following them, these people? Let me explain. You are following these people because they're interested on losing weight. That's why they're inside here. So once you take all these the people who are here because they're interested on losing weight, as you can see here, what you have to do, you have to create now your own topic, about this product. You have to promote this product. You have to talk about this product, how it can solve their problems, this product. So what you're gonna do, just make sure that you are make sure that you just put a nice profile picture. It must be nice. Just check, as you can see here. Put nice. It must look nice and beautiful. And once you're done that, make sure you put your affiliate link down to your bio. Then what you're gonna do, like, let me show you an example like this one. You just start to write, you start telling people about the product. You write the article about the product. You just let's talk about the product, how it can solve the people's problem. Once you're done, as you can see, like a beautiful one. Don't just spam there. And Instagram doesn't like links, so don't put links down here because it's not gonna work. You just put a link once at your bio. Then at the end, you can tell the people that, hey, please, if you want more information about this particular product, you can just see check the link on my bio. Then people, they're gonna check on your bio, then they're gonna buy once they're interested. And make sure when you are promoting the product, make sure you put tags. And where can you find these tags? As you can see, all my post got tags. I can say even here, I have tags. Where's it? It's not showing. Okay, anyway, as you can see, I just have people link on bio. Just click there. All my posts there have. I don't see what is happening, but I have all of them. I have tags. But anyway, no problem. So what you do to find tags? As you can see, there's tags here as well. You just go to the website called there's this free website. Let me show you. It's called this one, H Super Tools. You just click here. Here it is at the first. In this website, you're gonna find the tons of tags that you can use to your Instagram. Why you are using tags in Instagram? It's crazy, guys. Instagram like tags. We are using tags so that you can be able to rank. easily and fast. People, they'll be able to find your product easily once you use tag. So what you're gonna do, you just come to Instagram. Once you are here in, you're gonna find Instagram. Just click hashtag. As you can hashtag generator, just click here. Then you can just write you can just write a keyword related to your product, like that product called, it's called the Okinawa flatbed. Okinawa flatbed. We just click generate. Internet, something wrong, I think it's a network or something. What is happening? Okay, let's write weight loss. Weight loss. Okay, Jeanette. I think it's a network. Surprise, I don't know what is happening. But anyway, you can use these tools to find the tags for free, guys. Once you're done, once it generates your tag, you just go to you just copy them, and once you copy them, you just come and paste down here. Once you light the beautiful topic about that product, on how it can solve people's problem. Once you're done doing that, you just tell them link on the bio, and down here you make sure you put your tags, and you can see you put your tag like this. So yeah, that is it, guys. Then once someone is interested on losing weight, and I know most of people, they're interested on losing weight nowadays. So obviously they're going to click your link and buy the product. That is it. That's how we're making money online, guys. Anyway, in this channel, we talk about making money. If this video, it gives value, please give it the thumbs up. Also comment down below if you have any question. And also don't forget to subscribe. You can share with your friend, with anyone who is interested in making money online. You can share this video also as well. Yeah, that is it, guys. Please, if you don't understand, you can ask the question below. I'll be happy to answer all the questions. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope also it gives value. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video.